Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 11th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus we have here. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. They call it also a tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese sugugu. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, taguzu in Japanese. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve is the 3 star Sudoku number 7077. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25, but this time 28. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, for 28 printed digits, actually it's a 0 star. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we'll see if this is really a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, which number can I pick? How about, let me see. Which number can I pick? The one in this column, the one in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 1 should be there. The 4 in the first row, the 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4, could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3, could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3, could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, okay, 6. 6, okay. Come on. 2, 8. 3, 7. Need a 1 here. Need a 3. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in the last row, 3 and a 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. And we have a 3 and a 6 in the first column, so no 3 and 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Need a 5. Need a 4. 4, okay. 5, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 5. We have a 1, the 2, and the 5 in this row, so no 1, 5, and the 2 in these 3 boxes. 1, 5, and the 2 goes in those 3 boxes. That's 1, 5, and the 2, 1, 5, and the 2, 1, 9, 5, and the 2. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. So the other 3 missing numbers are in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 9 could be everywhere. Okay. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a pair. 4 and a 5 in the first row, 4 and a 5 in the row below. the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated a 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. 9, with a 9 there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7 are missing. 1 and a 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 9, 7. 3, 9, 7. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. Oh no, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Okay, yeah, we have 4, 3, and a 9. We have a 3 here, so can anybody 3? And we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 4. So the 3 and a 9 are left. Here, 3 and a 9, okay. 3 and 7 are left here. So 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Yeah, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be, and 8 goes there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Okay. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6, 6. Okay. How about the 1? No. 3 and a 9. No. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. Oh, no. 4 and a 9 are missing. 9 cannot be here, 4 cannot be here. So the 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Here we have 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 9. 1 box left in. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, 4 and a 9, 1 and a 5. 3, 3, 3, 9, 9. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 5 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 5. That means in the middle column, you need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 could be everywhere, and 8 could be everywhere. 6 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in the third column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. And 7 in this row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column. Only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be there. 4, 7, that means 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 8 and 9, we have 8 in this second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Okay. Need a 5 here. 9, 9, 9. 8, 8, 8. 7, 7, need 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. So this should be a 4, and 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Well, 2 missing numbers. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes, and there, finish in 13 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, how we're gonna do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.